Hello, in the previous course we discovered together what the Java language is. In this course we will see how to install Java on our PC. Let's go. Now time to install the Java Development Kit. It will allow us to use Java. We will now use an open source version of Java Development Kit. Openjdk. This version that we are gonna use was created by Amazon, of which the name is Amazon Corretto. We are also gonna use IntelliJ IDEA, which is a kind of word processing application, but it is made to create programs. It is a very powerful software that contains multiple features for beginners and professional developers. It's also beginner friendly. A free community edition exists, and there is a ultimate paid one. In the next video, we will start the installation of Openjdk 11 from Corretto, so see you next time.